Hi guys, I just wanted to show you what I had been making for my friend Jen. She asked me if I could make a book, like a traveller's notebook style thing for her. So this video is basically just to show her what I have done for her, just to see if she likes it. And just to get your opinion really of whether you like this or not. This is a bit different for me. She wanted one a little bit larger than the ones that I have been making. As you can see, it's quite a bit bigger. Now, I had real problems with laminating things because it was bigger. It needs more stability, and the more layers you get, it will not laminate. The amount of problems I had was stressful beyond belief. Like, I could have thrown things out of the window at one point. I got that stressed over it. But anyway, I come up with another solution of getting sort of card, really quite thick card, and then putting the paper over it. Obviously I haven't been able to laminate anything, but it's really, really strong. It shouldn't rip. It should last you a long time, Jen. I purchased these from Hobbycraft, I think it was, and it's just obviously you can see JEN. So yeah, I'm just going to go through what I have done. So I've put this paper on the outside, and then I put some black paper on the inside. Just thought it's nice contrast. She didn't want anything too girly, but she really did like this. Now, I tried to make the traveller's notebook out of this, but again, I couldn't laminate anything because it was too big. So I just made a book out of it. This is some acetate that I bought. So this is the first book. This is card instead of paper. So this is really nice writing pad thing. So yeah, I made it for 4 strings, so she can fit 2 more books in if she wants to. Now, I am going to just cover this because obviously it's private, but she did send me a photograph that she wanted in one of the dashboards. And all I've done here, instead of gluing it onto the acetate, I've put some washi tape either side, so if she wanted to take it out and use it anywhere else, she can do. So I just thought that was a little extra bit that wasn't permanently attached to the acetate. This is the second book that I made. They are slightly too big, I would say, but obviously it's what I wanted this book for required it to be a little bit bigger. I thought this was quite different. I think this is off Pinterest, and you can download these and you can just jot down little things that you've done in the day. And then on the other side is the same, and I've just put little lined papers, with the word I'm after, of any notes that she needs during the day or appointments or whatever has happened here. She can write down there in more detail. And I've just done this with all of this book really. There's like 2 pages there, and then another one of this, and then it's double-sided, and then more paper. And this goes through all of this book, which I just thought is a helpful thing to have. This book I did buy from the range, and this fits really nicely in there, so that again is more obviously writing paper. And then I've got another piece of acetate, and this book here is full of my tea dyed paper. Obviously she can use this for whatever she wants, but that is a lot of paper to be getting on with 4 books. And then the back side of that acetate. As I said, this is more like nice, stable, strong, not laminated. I just had to find something that I could do for her that wasn't laminated but will stay nice and strong. One thing I am going to do, I have got a charm thing that I want to go on here, which I haven't got out yet. And yeah, that's about it, guys. So Jen, if you could let me know what you think of this book, I would really appreciate that, because this has been a lot of stress, because I'm used to doing smaller books, which obviously will laminate papers. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. I would love to hear your input as well of what you think of this particular traveller's notebook. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to reading all your comments. See you next time, guys. Bye.